Welcome back to my channel. Today we will be making this origami pillow. Let's get started.
You'll need a 1/6-inch square of origami. First, you're going to fold this in half like this. Make it real good. Crease super well. And open it up, and you're going to fold it this way. Like this. Open it up, and then you're going to just fold it like this. Quickly make it good. And you're just going to take these two corners and push them in. Like this. And now you're going to fold this up to here. Fold this up to here. And repeat with the other side. Do the same thing like this. Crease well. Crease well. And you're just going to unfold this here. Open this up. You're going to open it up. Put your finger in here, squash, and fold right here, like this. Do the same with all the other three corners. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you're going to take this here, and you're just going to fold it up to here, like this. Increase. Same thing with the other one. Like this. Like this. Like this. Once you got this, you're just going to open this flap up here. Put your hand in. Put your finger in here, and you're just going to fold it on this crease, open it up, and push it over like this. Keep pushing and fold it on that crease. I'll do it again. Like this. Open this up here. And you're just going to push this. Push this all the way over here. The same thing with the other corners. Other ones like this. Right here. Like this. And now you're gonna take there's these flaps here. You're gonna take this first one right here, and you're gonna fold this corner up to here so it matches with this here. With this here, and you're just gonna fold it like this here. Do the same thing with the other side. Like right here. Fold it right there. Flip it over. Same thing with the other one. Once you've got this, it's like a hat, but you have these right here. So you're just gonna push this here, fold it like this. You're going to open this up here, and then you're going to fold this like this, right here. Flip it over and fold this right here, like that. Do the same thing with the other one. Take this here, fold it up like this, fold it like this, flip it over, and fold it up like this. And now you've got 1, 2, 3, 4 flaps. Take this side here, take one of the flaps. You're going to fold it to this point right here. And then you see you have this pocket right here. You're going to take this and you're going to stick it in this pocket right here. And you're going to fold it right down there. The same thing with the other side. Put this right here. Put this up. Push this in. And fold. Same thing. 1. Open it up. 2. Put it in. 3. So open this flap up. Take this and push it in. Now you've got this. It's like a house. You can just then you're gonna fold this in half. Flip it, turn it over, fold this way in half. Then you're going to take this here, take this side here, open this flap up here, and you're gonna fold it like this. Flip it over, fold it this way, open, flip, turn it to this point, open this flap up, and fold. Now you've got this. Now you're just going to take this here, and you're gonna fold it like this way. And if you see some flaps coming out like this, take this corner here and push it in. If there are any like that. And now you're just gonna blow into this hole right here. You got this. You're going to push this here, pull like this, this. You can pull the edges out this way, like that. You need to open it more. And there, you're done.
Like, share, and subscribe. Turn on your notifications so you never miss one of our latest videos, and we'll see you all later.